As you may be aware, here at Affinity we're currently running a series of Microsoft Office and Office 365 workshops, and we thought we'd fetch some of these hints and tips which will be covered in them workshops to you in short videos. First off, we're looking at your Outlook inbox and how tasks may be a useful tool for you. Here today we are going to show you how to create a task from an email. In creating a task, you're able to set up reminders in Outlook. This is able to make sure that specific jobs have been done, or if they're highlighted in order to be done. You can also make sure these tasks are done for specific times, and you can also rank them by their priority. In order to create a task, you simply click on the email that you want to create the task from and drag it down to your little task icon, which is the clipboard one at the bottom of Outlook. Drop it onto there and you'll get the task creation window. Here you're able to change the subject, you're able to set the start date and when it's supposed to be due, with also a reminder, so you might want to set a reminder halfway through just to make sure that you've got it done. You can change the owner of the task, whether its status is urgent. This can also be changed by priority as well, so if it's something that needs to be done urgently, you'll set this to high. Look out for our next hints and tips videos on our social media channels in March. We're looking at doing some 3CX ones as well as some more Windows 10 ones in order to help you guys.